Hey everyone, so something weird happened the other day when I went to use my sun visor. I pulled it down and I heard a crack, and then this happened. And if you look, it looks like a piece of plastic broke off, but now, if I zoom back a little bit, when I try to push it up, it won't stay. I know my car is old, it's a 2011 Hyundai Elantra, but I never thought the sun visor would break. I've never even heard of a sun visor breaking, so I was pretty surprised when it happened to me. So I went online and found a replacement one on Amazon, and I'm going to try and replace that now. It looks like I will just have to remove this screw, hopefully, and I can take this off and then put the other one in, but we'll see. Hopefully it's not too difficult. Okay, so I have the new one here. It's got this little attachment here. It's not exactly the same as the one that I have. It's got this thing on the back, which mine does, but it's different. Mine also doesn't have this piece right here, my old one. That's on the new one. But yeah, it looks like I just take this screw out, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do it off camera because I need both my hands to do it. Okay, screw is out. I'm gonna hang on to that, and then let's see here. Okay, looks like it just sort of comes out there, and pop this off. All right, sorry for hitting the camera. I think I gotta turn this thing here, maybe, and it looks like it fits up like that. And I'm trying to do this one-handed here. And that is there. And then I just put the screw in, which again, I'm gonna do off camera. Okay, screw is in. That's there, and it pops back up like so. I could push it down like I need to do. Mirror works. It does smell a little bit. It doesn't have a new car smell, but it certainly smells of plastic. And again, like I said, it's got this thing here, which I don't know what that is, but who cares? I mean, it was 20 bucks. It's gonna block the sun, which I need at this time of the year. It's perfect. It doesn't match the other one over there. I'll show you that but you know, this thing comes down. And this even sounds like this one's gonna break soon. It sounds kind of like chintzy. This thing sounds like there is no noise to it. So anyway, super easy, much easier than I thought it would be. So yeah, if this happens, just find one on Amazon. There's a lot of them, and all you need is a Phillips head screwdriver, and that's it. Thanks for watching.